First, we showed you how to make a better version of the viral cowboy butter. Then we showed you how to use that compound butter to turn amazing grilled chicken into kick-ass grilled chicken. And today, we'll show you how to combine that chicken with a few simple ingredients to make something better than anything you will find in a restaurant. Hey, glad to see you. Now I know that may seem like an awfully big claim to make, but we are very confident that after you make this recipe and taste it, you'll completely agree with us. I mean, how can you not? We're taking compound cowboy butter that is an absolute savory umami bomb and combining it with grilled chicken and pasta and a flavorful cream sauce to make a superfood. And if after all that, you truly don't think you like it, well, I suggest you seriously consider getting a psyche bill. I'm just saying. Now, to keep this video as short as possible, we'll assume you already saw the video that shows you how to make the cowboy butter and grilled chicken. If not, we'll leave a link for you in the description area for you to watch it later. That would be a great video to watch after this one. All right, so you're going to be surprised at how quick and easy this all comes together. Now, if you watched our original video when we made the compound butter, this is the little bad boy that we rolled up and refrigerated. So now, all we have to do is we're going to go with about 2 tablespoons of this into our heated pan here. And we're not needing to cook anything. All we're doing is going to melt this butter down and get this party started. Actually, I think we'll go with just a little bit more. Just a little extra butter among friends. To that, we're going to add 1.5 cups of heavy cream. And I think on this one, we're just going to go with the whole pint. We're feeling a little saucy today. How's that? I don't even know if that's a thing, but what the hell. So now we're just going to heat this up to temperature. And while this is heating, I'm going to get some of the grilled chicken that we already made and get it heating on the flat top. Now we'll add in a little bit more butter. So as this heats, we're going to get this up to a slight simmer. And while this is simmering, how about adding a large dose of smashing the like button, subscribe button, and then share this with anyone that you think that might enjoy some really good grilled chicken fettuccine. Your kindness will actually help quite a bit as far as getting this video out to other people and to help the channel grow, so we would appreciate it. If you're able to do that, we would appreciate it. Now, if you can see it, it's starting to thicken up here a little bit. Good flavor. Now we'll go add in some salt and pepper. We're mixing in equal parts of cornstarch and water, and then go to the point where Make sure there's no lumps, and put a little bit in and give it a little bit of time. See, and we can already see it starting to thicken up pretty good. And so we're looking at, you just want to see that if it just coats the back of the spoon like that, then that's pretty close to what you want. All right, so now we'll go ahead and it's not the greatest way to do this. Just getting it in. So now we're just going to toss this pasta in here. I guess we actually do have enough sauce. We can go a little bit more of the pasta. And just as we plate, it's a perfect time for the neighbor dogs to start barking. And to make it a little prettier here, and I present you with cowboy butter grilled chicken and fettuccine and cowboy butter grilled French bread. All right, so let's see how this tastes. See if we can get a good bite, get some pasta, some chicken. I will actually go back to what I said in the very beginning as far as this competing with anything in any restaurant. Abe, you want to come try this?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm taking the bread with you.
So after you make this, please leave a comment and tell us how you liked it. And for the rare few that didn't, I just want to ask, how'd that psyche valve turn out? And don't hesitate to reach out to us in the comment area or on our Discord server with any suggestions or questions you have about this or any of our other recipes. We'd love to hear from you. If you'd like to see a playlist with other recipes where we use this butter to make some kick-ass recipes that will even make your cat actually respect you, click up here. If you'd like to see some other great content on the channel, go ahead and click up here. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.